Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can enable or turn on the sidebar on a Brave browser, for example, to access features and customization tools like the reading list or I don't know, the Brave Talk feature. So this is how you can do it, guys. If you somehow don't see that sidebar here on the left or on the right side inside your Brave browser, you may enable it by accessing your browser settings. To do that, click into these three lines in the top right corner and select settings here. Or alternatively, guys, what you want to do also is make sure that the sidebar is either selected or set on or on auto hide if you like, so that you, for example, hover your mouse over it. Or you may simply, guys, again, head over to your browser settings, and here inside your browser settings, head over to appearance on the left panel. And guys, make sure that, for example, under toolbar, the sidebar button is enabled here in the top right corner, so that you may, for example, click onto it to access your sidebar. And in addition, guys, scroll all the way down till you get to sidebar and set a rule for your sidebar visibility, like always on mouse over or never. So for example, if I select on mouse over, I will be given the opportunity to access that sidebar by hovering my mouse over it. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.